Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice number 119.
Math Practice number 119. So how many coins are there on this board is the question we're doing today. And the reason we're doing this is there was a really fun section in Beast Academy today in their homework problems about counting gumballs. Right?
Yeah.
And that was pretty neat. And this is sort of learning about systematic counting. So I put the pennies and nickels on this board here in a way that they're pretty easy to count. So how would you count these?
Well, you could count them in these little sections.
Okay, so what do you think you would do?
So you could count how many of these are. That's 9 times 4, which is 36.
Okay, so the pennies are arranged in 3 rows of 3. So the pennies are each in a group of 9. And how many groups of pennies are there?
There's 4 groups.
Okay, so how many pennies are there?
36.
36, awesome. Okay, so how many nickels are there now?
Well, this is 6, and there's 4 places where the nickels are, so that's 6 times 4 is 24.
Okay, so there's 36 pennies and 24 nickels. So how much is that? How many coins are there total?
Well, that's 36 plus 24.
All right, 36 plus 24, and that adds up to?
I think it's 60.
60, very good. 36 plus 24 is 60, so there's 60 coins here. And this was pretty easy to count because they were nicely arranged in groups, right?
Yeah.
So that made it nice and systematic to count. Now what if I hit it? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You got them closed?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, what if I had put them on the board like this?
It would have been really, really hard to count.
Would have been really hard to count. We would have had to figure out how to arrange them in some way to count them, or we could have just said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that, etc. But when things are arranged in a nice systematic way, they become very easy to count. But when they're arranged like, like a cat ran over the board and just mixed them all up, they're not so easy to count, are they?
No.
So that's good advice for later on when we're learning about counting and we're learning about other stuff like that, counting and probability, and some of the math contest problems that we look at ask you to count things, right?
Yeah.
So it's good to learn how to count systematically.
Yeah.
Okay, good job, sweetie.